Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has classified Costco as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.4. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a decline of -1.15%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.57% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a declining trend in the short term, and indications suggest further declines within this trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -6.27% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from -11.09% to -2.96%. Shifting focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 9.5%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 6.72% and 28.9% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price in the range of $1,022.93 to $1,235.54. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Costco. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, the Costco stock price experienced a decline of 1.15%, dropping from $969.68 to $958.54. Throughout the trading session, the stock demonstrated fluctuations of 2.14%, ranging from a low of $953.11 to a high of $973.50. Over this period, the stock price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 2.29% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 720,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 3 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $2.67 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1,078.23, while the lowest price was $867.16. Currently, the stock price is 11.10%, or $119.69, below the 52-week high of $1,078.23, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Costco has dominated headlines this week as investors weigh whether the rally that's driven shares roughly 230% since 2020 has run its course. The stock recently closed near $995, up about 1.4% in the latest session. But technical indicators flashed caution. A looming death cross, signaled by the 50-day moving average, slipping below the 200-day moving average, has traders dialing back risk. At the same time, strategic moves are hitting the tape. A partnership adding buy now, pay later functionality aims to boost digital and big-ticket sales while deepening member loyalty. Continued club expansion, including new store projects, keeps the growth engine humming. Comparisons to Walmart underscore Costco's defensive, membership-driven advantage, even as analysts debate valuation and upside. In the short term, expect volatility. Technical selling and narratives of a peaked stock can prompt pullbacks or sideways trading. Over the longer term, the combination of steady membership revenue, measured store growth, and digital enhancements supports durable sales and earnings. But much of that is likely already priced in, so future returns will hinge on execution and margin retention. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight grade to Costco with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory also assigned a hold grade to Costco with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, Evercore ISI rated Costco as outperform with a hold action. On that same Thursday, Loop Capital Markets gave Costco a buy grade, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, Telsey Advisory again rated Costco as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Costco stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Costco. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term outlook. The Costco stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast overall. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels around 975 and 963. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 3.62%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $952.52, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $20.39, which is 2.14%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.81%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Costco, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 25th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $5.80. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $980.29. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Costco encounters its first support level at $952.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of August, 2025, Teresa A. Jones conducted an insider sale of 600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of July, 2025, Jeffrey S. Rakes conducted an insider sale of 6,573 shares of common stock. On the 14th of July, 2025, Yoram Rubinenko conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Tiffany Marie Barbary conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 18th of June, 2025, Susan L. Decker conducted an insider sale of 546 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 0.416. Overall, insiders purchased 104,852 shares and sold 88,440 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Costco stock a good buy? Costco exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determine that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of August, we anticipate Costco will open higher by $3.18, starting trading at $961.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.